Welcome back to day 2 of Python in 30 days challenge. Yesterday we learned what Python is. Today you are going to write your very first Python program in less than 2 minutes. Let's start coding. Open your Visual Studio Code or any code editor, create a new file and save it as a hello.py. Here the .py extension tells your computer it's a Python program. For example, I am writing print hello world here. This is the famous hello world program. The print function displays anything inside the parentheses on the screen. You can use the print function as many times as you want. Each print statement displays a new line. Example, I am writing three print statements here, and Python can also print numbers and even calculate mathematical expressions. Example, I am just trying to print numbers here, and finally when you run the code you will be seeing all together. Now it's your turn. Create a program that prints your name, your age and your dream job, and share your outputs in the comments. Congratulations, and you have written your first Python program. In tomorrow's lesson we'll learn about variables and how Python stores data. Follow the series so you don't miss the day 3.